Today I'm going to show you how to install the Medisync WordPress plugin so you can activate the one-click publish feature in your Search Atlas dashboard. So to get started, go ahead and navigate to the plugin page in your WordPress account. Select Add New there at the top, and then you're going to search for Medisync, and you can press Install Now. It may take a few moments for the plugin to completely install, but once finished, you'll get the green checkmark verification, and then you can select the Activate button. After activating, Medisync will now be available as an option in your navigation. And from this page, you're going to connect your WordPress site to your Search Atlas dashboard. So there's two steps to the connection process. You're going to generate a website authorization key here at the top, and then you're going to navigate to your Search Atlas dashboard, go to the settings menu, and copy the Search Atlas API key that you will then paste here into this second text field. Then save your changes, and you'll get the green confirmation there in the middle that your Search Atlas dashboard and WordPress site are synced successfully. After syncing, you'll be able to use this really easy WP synchronize feature in the SEO Content Assistant. When you are done drafting a post, select WP synchronize, and a window will pop up that will ask you to select your site property that you want to publish to. It will ask you to enter a permalink, whether you want to post this as a draft or a fully published post, and then you can select a blog category depending on what you have set up on your WordPress site. After you select Create Draft Blog Post, you will receive confirmation that the content was synced. When you navigate to your WordPress site, you are going to see your content as a new page or post. And because I published this as a draft, I'm going to go ahead and edit and do some final reformatting and cleaning up of the content before I push it live to my website. Any H1s through H6s, internal links, bullet points, numbered lists that you identified in the text editor of the Content Assistant will transfer over to your post, but you can go ahead and preview to confirm and then publish live to your website. It really is as easy as one click.